I think it can be useful if I bring you into water so that you can see what's going on inside my head when I'm pumping, when I'm dog starting, what I think when I fail, what I think when I succeed, if I succeed. So yeah, I brought my GoPro and I will synchronize the video with the phone so that you can have these two perspectives. And yeah, it's sunny day, light wind. I think it's picking up a little bit, so I'm just gonna move my ass up and I'll probably stay into water a bit less than usual. And I also want to angle a little bit the ladder so that I don't pump towards open sea. I pump a little bit towards the coast so that I need to swim a little bit less. I just need to swim a bit towards the coast and then I can walk back to the dock so I save some energy. And yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna assemble my foil and set up the ladder, put it into water, meditate a little bit, and then I will start the session. And as always, while I'm mounting up everything, I relax and I visualize myself succeeding. I want to try to only use my arms to give me the tempo, and I want to try to make the pumps with less amplitude so I save up some energy, because I usually run out of breath super quickly. And of course, first thing first, I need to really stay high on the mast. And this is gonna be another challenge, because of course the higher you are on the mast, the harder it is to control it. I mean, you can control it, but you need to be super precise, otherwise you will break the surface. Okay, there is a little bit of swell, like a side inshore, so it's gonna be probably easier to take off, because I will need to run a little bit less on the dock. And it could also be great, because this way I can just go a little bit offshore and then try to come back to the dock with the help of the swell. So, good. More forward. Let's see if I notice any difference. I revise once again the drill. Place the board high in the water. Board is horizontal. Look where your back foot will go. Run. Jump high without pushing the board down. And once you're on the board, move a little bit your feet, adjust your feet placement, and then release the weight to start the first pump. Then stay high on the mast, look forward, do not move too much the upper body, use the arm swing as a way to give you the tempo. That's it. more lift than usual, so I feel like it's a little bit easier to stay high on the mast. I don't know if it's because of the swell or because I changed the position of the mast, but I feel pretty confident. I failed the turn. I still need to learn how to turn this board, but I think that I need to do wider turn to have more speed and to be higher on the mast. This time I felt like the pump was perfect. I was high on the mast. It seemed very effortless, but then I think that probably my back foot slipped a little bit backwards, and so I stalled the board. Let's see if I can do better the next launch. Maybe if I notice that my back foot is slipping backwards, I can move it a little bit. But this time I wasn't able to feel it. Okay, this was pretty good. I don't know, probably it was around 1 minute or 40 seconds, something like that. But as you can see, I'm exhausted, so it means that something was a little bit off in my technique. But I'm pretty happy because at the beginning at least I was high on the mast. If you go against the swell, it's I don't know, I found it easier to stay high on the mast. And then I really felt the change in the lift as I turned. So as I turned, I need to change the tempo or the technique a little bit. I need to adjust it. I cannot pump against the swell the exact way I pump with the swell pushing me. So I need to adjust this. But good. And as I said, the dog start is incredibly easy today against the swell. I'm just gonna rest 30 seconds or so, and I'm gonna make another launch. As I turned, I lost the speed and I stalled. I tried to recover by lifting myself more to release my weight from the board and let it rise a little bit, but nothing. I wasn't able to recover. My speed was too low. And I'm pretty sure that I was low on the mast this time, even when I was going against the swell. Another mistake that I've probably done, that I'm constantly doing, is that when I'm turning, instead of looking in the direction where I want the body to go, I'm looking at the water. That's probably another issue that I need to fix. I think that to be able to ride this well, I need to pump a little bit because it's not that strong, but I really need to be very, very high on the mast. So I have to try to not lose height when I turn, so that I'm high on the mast and I can catch this little swell to come back.
Yes, there we go. No.
I was there. I was in the sweet spot. I was super high on the mast. My cadence was right, I think, and the pitch angle was small, so I was pretty efficient. I wasn't wasting energy. I'm not out of breath. I mean, I'm running out of breath because I'm talking, but during the pump I wasn't out of breath. But then I probably gave like a wrong pump with the wrong timing, and with such big foils, when you give a wrong pump, it's very hard to recover because as you have a wide surface against the water, when you give a pump with the wrong timing, you're really breaking yourself a lot, so you're losing a lot of speed. I slipped on the dock, so my dock start wasn't good. I wasn't well positioned on the board. I stalled again, just like the last attempt. I don't know if it was because of wrong timing, because of bad feet placement, or both. Maybe I will find it out when I will look at the video from my phone. I definitely need to buy one of those head mounts for the Pro, so that I don't have to hold it when I'm talking, because I cannot talk with this thing in my mouth. And it's not interesting to see my ugly face when I'm talking. Like until 2 weeks ago, I was zooming back to the dock super fast. I was jumping on the dock instead of climbing the stairs. I was just wasting energy. Now I really try to be more chill and to really save energy in everything that I do. To focus all my attention and all my energies in the pump. As you can probably see, the wind now is getting stronger. I think that it's probably around 10 knots. But yeah, better. Let's go. I want to ride it as well. Once again, I lost speed while turning and I stalled instead of catching the swell. I really need to work on this transition. The thing is that when I go against the swell, I am very slow because my speed is my normal pump speed minus the speed of the swell, which is probably, I don't know, it's pretty fast. And when I turn, I need to have the same speed of the swell in the water, so I need to gain speed when I'm turning. Now I'm just losing speed when I'm turning. So maybe I need to give some quick pumps. So I need to increase the cadence a little bit to gain some speed while I'm turning, or before the turn, or as soon as I come out of the turn. Very bad timing since the first pump. Bad timing, and it's getting a little bit harder to stay high on the mast because of the waves, but no excuses.
Yeah.
I was low on the mast constantly. In fact, I'm exhausted, but I was right. I need to give some quicker pump to increase a little bit the cadence before and during the turn, so that I can reach the same speed and catch the swell. And yeah, once I was in the swell, I was super fast and super efficient. So I'm gonna try to go a little bit further, so that I can ride the swell for a bit longer, because this time I was in the shore after like 5 seconds. The dog start wasn't perfect, so I touched the water. I tried to gain speed, but I just stalled the water, stalled the board because of bad timing. Again, very bad placement when I land from the dock start, so I lost time and height on the mast trying to move my feet, and it was too late, and as soon as I gave the first pump, I stalled. I think that my board was pointing down during the dock start, so I immediately touched the water, and I'm losing a little bit my focus, but let's make some other trial. Again, I definitely pushed the board with my front hand. I slipped again, and I definitely entered this negative feedback loop. So I will try to relax and find the focus again, and I will give another couple of trials. Bad feet placement, and my center of balance was too high. I slipped again, and I'm definitely out of focus, so I will give the last attempt, and that's it. I was going to end this session without riding this well one last time. Again, I catched it too soon, so in a matter of 5 seconds I was already in the shore. In fact, as I turned, I fell. But I'm pretty happy. It's fine. I think I didn't even make 20 launches, but it's fine. I felt more efficient. So I think that if this time I didn't break the 1 minute barrier, for sure next time, maybe if the sea is a bit calmer, I will definitely break it. So yeah, it was pretty good. I felt more efficient. I used less my arms. I was kind of higher on the mast. I was able to catch some swell, but yeah, everything is just finding the perfect position on the mast. It's just finding that sweet spot and stay there by giving small pumps, so with a small pitch angle.